Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Chanel. If you're not new, well, let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so for 2018 I wanted to do something a little different. I didn't know if I wanted to do a makeup drawer where I do a makeup drawer and I change it out once every 2 weeks or once every month. So instead I figured to make sure I use my makeup products that are in good condition and haven't went bad yet, I decided that I'm going to do another panning project or another project pan. And I'm going to start off with 18 products because this is 2018. So like I was saying, I'm starting off with 18 items, but it's going to be like a rolling project pan. So once I finish one item, I'm going to bring another item in and its replacement, and I'm going to be marking down everything as I use them. So let's go ahead and get started so I can share with you what I am using for my project pan. Oh, my first project pan 2018. Alright, so let's just get right into it. So with this project pan, a lot of items you're going to see sample items because I have this basket right here. Oops. Alright, this basket right here full of sample items, and I want to go through and use up my samples. Otherwise they're just going to be continue to sit in my drawer, and I don't want them to stay there. So you're going to see a lot of samples in this project pan. Alright, so I'm going to go through and share with you all the items that I'm doing in my project pan. Alright, so I brought you guys in a little closer so you guys can see where my markings are on everything. I need a marker. Alright, so the first thing that is in my project pan, it was in my project pan last year, and I'm putting it in my project pan this year, well, this whole year, because it's for the entire year 2018, because I want to pan this whole palette, and it's the Tarte's Pro To Go palette right here. And last year I did hit pan on one eyeshadow, and I almost hit pan another eyeshadow, but I stopped using it. So I'm going to add this right back into my project pan. And that is the progress I made. As you can tell, I hit pan on this color right here, and that is the color Crisp. And this color right here and down here underneath it, it has a pretty good hole in the center of it. And I want to try to hit pan. I'm going to first start off with hitting pan. I want to hit pan on every single shadow in here, but I would love to finish this whole palette this year. Next, I know this one is limited edition. They're not doing this one anymore, but I would like to hit pan at least on this Super Shocks shadow and Yummy Cookie. And this is the Color Pop with Hello Kitty edition right here. This is just such a pretty color. I have been using this, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I have been using this so much that I started to put like a little dent or hole at in the center. So I use this as a highlight, and every now and then I also use it as an eyeshadow. And I really do like this highlight, and it's super soft. And this is the color of it right there. I love this color. So another thing that I would like to hit pan or empty out or finish is this EOS lip balm. Okay, I don't know how many of these I have and I have opened, but I have yet to finish one, and that's about how much I have left on this one, and I would like to finish it. Next item, I started using this and I didn't finish it, and I'm adding this back into my project pan, and it's the Lord & Berry eyeliner. And as of right now, I'm measuring it by the pin cap. The pin cap currently is between the D and the R in Lord, and it's already bypassed Berry already. So I am almost done with this eyeliner, so this is in my project pan too. I have a lot more stuff in this project pan than I did last year, okay? A whole lot, a whole lot. So another item that I would like to show you guys. I do not know how much is in this product because it's not retractable. It's like if you keep turning it up, it won't go down. And it's this ColourPop brow pencil. This is the one before they reformulated or redid the packaging on the newer one. And this one's in the color black and brown. And I would like to finish up this whole pencil because I haven't finished a brow product yet. Alright, this next product right here is by NYX, and it's their pore filler. I have been using this off and on, and I believe I'm right about here, so that's what I'm marking on here. So as you can see, I just marked it. That is where I'm at in this little squeezy tube. I have quite a long ways to go. That's okay. We're gonna do this. Next item is this little sample by Cover FX. It's their illuminating primer, and I would like to use this as well. This is the primer. I also would like to use that. Next is another sample. Is the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream, and this is in the color Deep. So I would like to use up this little sample. Next is also a sample, and this is by Ardell, and it's by Ardell, and it's one of their Hydra lipsticks, and this is a sample, and I have not used it yet, and this is all the product that is in there, and I'm going to attempt to finish a lipstick. Next is my Pop Beauty Magnet Eye Primer. This is one of my older, or this is my oldest eye primers, and I would like to use this up. And this is basically full because I didn't really use this at all. I used it probably about 4 or 5 times, and I would like to finish this. So for item number 11, I'm going to be adding this LA Girl Pro Concealer right here, and this is in the color Fawn. I'm also adding a liquid lipstick to this, and I'm using this little travel size or mini Tarte lip paint or Tarteist lip paint, and I'm not, oh, and this is in the color Vibin'. I have another primer, and this is the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer, and I'll be using this. As you can tell, I have used some, and I'm going to go ahead and mark it now. Alright, so that is where I'm at on this primer. To be honest, I've been using a whole bunch of primers. I really do not know if this is really good for me or my skin, so I will be finding that out along the way. So alright, so the next item in my project pan is, like, I really can't measure this, but I'm like halfway through it already, and I love this powder, and it's the Beauty Bakery setting powder, setting flour, and I have the color yellow, and I have been using this non-stop. This is my favorite powder thus far. I do have Laura Mercier. Is that what it's called? Yes, I do have that. And I do have the Sasha Buttercup powder, but this is my favorite. And I told myself that I'm going to try to use up at least one powder this year before I purchase another one. And then once I use this one up, I'm going to go ahead and add the Sasha Buttercup to the project pan. I don't really like that one, but I want to get some use out of it. And this one here, I love it, and I will repurchase it once this one is gone. Now for item number 18, it is not a makeup product, but I've had this item for about a year and a half or a year or something like that. Over a year, okay? I had this item for over a year, and I have not ever gone through a bottle, not even a small bottle. and I wanted to add this to my project pan because I wanted to get through it. And this is a body spray. It's the Cashmere Glow Fine Mist Body Spray from Bath and Body Works. And I just wanna get through a full bottle. So this is the full size bottle. As you can see, I barely used any. And so I have already marked it at the top, and that's where I'm currently at, that black line right there. So I would like to get through this whole bottle this year. We will see how well that works out. Alright, beautiful, that is everything in my 2018 project pan, rolling project pan, because I'm going to be adding products in as I empty more products. And I have to say that I'm very excited about this project pan for 2018. It's a lot more items than what I had last year, and I actually have a full year to use it all. So I'm ecstatic. I know I'll be bringing in more makeup products, but I also have to realize I need to get through them and not just have them sitting. Otherwise, I'm going to throw them away. And I don't want to do that. That's a lot of wasted money. So, if you guys are interested in following me on this journey of my 2018 project pan, go ahead and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and that bell is on. And I will keep you guys updated along the way. Most likely every single month to see how I'm doing. I'm just saying, most likely. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you are subscribed, and thank you so much for watching. And I will talk to you again later. But always remember to embrace your beauty. I'll talk to you again later. Bye.